The problems with humanoid robots. I was asked if we were building a humanoid robot at Collaborative Robotics. I answered no, as I am skeptical of humanoid robots and other robotic animals. The technology behind projects like Boston Dynamics Spot Mini is impressive, but they're not as useful as other technologies like the iPhone. Humanoid robots face three major issues. While advancements in AI might resolve the first, the second could be solved with enough funding. The third, however, is a significant hurdle. Despite the technical prowess shown by robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas and Agility Robotics Digit, they still demonstrate fundamental limitations. For instance, while these robots can perform tasks like parkour, these are often not reliably repeatable in real-world applications. The main challenges with humanoid robots include inadequate AI for balancing, the immense cost of hardware development, and the impracticality of biomimicry in many production tasks. Robust control systems, essential for operational robots, are complex to develop, as explained by Dr. Stephen Boyd at a Stanford colloquium. Reducing the complexity of control systems has been a strategy of companies like Agility, which simplifies walking dynamics, and Boston Dynamics, which optimizes transition between controls. However, the complexity and variability of real-world tasks make developing a universal control system for robots as challenging as creating autonomous vehicles. Humanoid robots, with their high centers of mass and complex balancing needs, are not ideally suited for most practical tasks. The significant investment required to develop humanoid robots does not guarantee a viable return, making them a risky venture. Instead of focusing on humanoid robots, more practical and stable solutions like wheeled robots are recommended for most commercial applications. At Collaborative Robotics, we focus on deploying practical, wheeled robots that are currently feasible and can be scaled effectively, as demonstrated by Amazon's success with over 750,000 robots. Our upcoming projects will continue to focus on practical, scalable solutions for real-world applications, avoiding the pitfalls of humanoid robotics. Brad Porter, CEO of Collaborative Robotics, emphasizes practical robotic solutions over humanoid robots, leveraging his extensive experience in robotics at Amazon and other tech firms.